So, hello guys. Today I'll show you how to install HookTronic. The first thing you need to do is go to Google Chrome or Firefox. I'm using Google Chrome. My Google Chrome is fucked, but I don't know why. But this, you type in HookTronic.top, enter. This will come up. Home, let's own them. This is the paid version, so don't click on it. Yeah, all this. This is the private cheat. Here we go. Okay, this is the free cheat, and just click here and click on this HookTronic free version. What you need to do is follow the instructions. This is just something they are got us to say, so yeah, ignore it. So yeah. Okay, how to start the cheat correctly. Okay, move HookTronic.dll into the same folder as injector.exe. Okay, number 2, download and install vc underscore redist.x64.exe. But don't install that one. Install this one. vc underscore redist.x86.exe from this link. I already have downloaded it, so yeah, I'll not download it again, so yeah. But yeah, number 3, disable antivirus and Windows Defender. Okay, Windows Defender. Boom. Mine is off here. And my antivirus, I'm going to deactivate and press yes. Boom. Now I'm not safe anymore, like that. Okay, start Cisco, wait until you can see the lobby. But yeah, don't do that right now. Okay, make sure injector.exe and HookTronic.dll are in the same folder. 6, right click injector and HookTronic, go to security, make sure you have full access. 7, run injector as admin. If correct, it will say injection successfully. Go back to Cisco, press insert /ins. Some laptops disable numlock and press num O. Number 9. Now wait 20 to 30 seconds for Mini to show up. Okay, and the password is HookTronic. Okay, go download the injector first. And wait here. You'll come to apply. Don't click on this. Just wait. Click skip ad. Then, boom, the injector will come up here. Press OK. Open. And click the back button. Now download the cheat. Okay, follow the steps. This apply will come up. Please wait 1 seconds. Click here to continue. Just wait. Press skip ad. Then will this come up? Cheat.zip. Don't click on this. Just click open. Now you can just close your Google. Leave. Boom. Now this folder, just get this up. Okay, the cheat here. Double click on that. I'm going here, double click at the injector. Then you can see injector.txt, readme.txt, and the folder there has no name. Okay, HookTronic.dll. Take this into the other folder. Type in HookTronic, the password. And you need WinRAR to do this. Just saying. But and zip, but you can download it in Windows Store. So yeah, and WinRAR you can download on Google or something like that. And you need Google to get this cheat. Okay, you can see here all this crap here and all this crap here. Just press OK. So this come up. Then can you close this cheat map folder? Sorry. Then open users go. Just wait. Okay, let's get into this. But if you're using micro, what is it? I don't know. This thing, H, like that. It will say danger, malware, and something like that. It's cause all cheats have something like it's cheat, dude. So yeah. But here you can say open this. Press double click at the injector. Type in HookTronic. Then press OK. This will come up and say process injection successful. Press insert to toggle the menu. Go here. Wait some seconds. And you can see all my stuff here. Please don't add me. Yeah, I have max members of friends. But if you want help, just type a comment. So yeah, and I'll see how much I can help you. And like this. Yeah, I'm only this because I'm not hacking in competitive onion servers. So yeah. But now you can click insert. This will come up. Now I'll help you. Legit bot. We can try legit bot first if you want, but I always do this first. Box 1. Here, 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 here. Normal. Skeleton, aim bot. DLL lights and glow. Here. Players, enemies. Oh, wait. Weapons and C4. Speed tail list. Crosshair type, static, and crush, big crush, hands transparent. Okay, here, misks. Okay, bunny hop, outstrafe, circle strafe, chat spam, all this. Clan tag. This will spam some clan tags. Name spam. This will spam names. And show ranks. It will show your competitive ranks. The enemy's players, so you can see their rank. Third person, you can go in third person. Fake lag. They will see you lag so freaking much that they can't hit you. No visual recoil. And hashtag is like you can fly in there. Click save config. Skins. You can have bayonet, tiger tooth, whatever you want. 5/7. All that crap you want. What the fuck is that? No. Then you can fade, SPS confirmed, all that crap. Active and apply. And here you can just get the legit button on. Sorry the background, but yeah, that's my sister. Yeah, crap. But here you can take all this off if you want, and you can, yeah, here is the head box things. So yeah. So let's wait here until I can show you what this is, and you can see the rage button after this. But yeah, but here you can just press key. When you have selected a key, press that down, and you will just like shoot them. Oh. And activate like that. Oh, fail. Offline. Then go to dust 2 or play here. Then wait some seconds. Then just wait some seconds till you are in the server, and I can show you all the stuff, what they do. Okay, that's so slowy. Damn. Yep. Okay. Then click enter, and I'll go to this thing. I'll take just this. Now you'll see the digit button. Wow, my PC fucks. That isn't the cheat, it's just my PC that. Yeah, that was my mom. Just wait here. Then you can see here, this is the digit button. You can use this in competitive. And I have all this crap. On this. Okay. Now I'll show you the other thing you can do. Click here. Bomb. Active. Enable. Anti-fire. The FOV. Take it all up. Silent aim. Add to pistol. And enable key. And I'll take this to mass 4. Multi-point. Take that on. No recoil. Let's go at the wall. Yeah. And aim. Take up here. 4 spin button. And go to this. Then will this work? And I'll seal for some seconds now. You can see here I'm spin butting. Give and score again 740. Give whip. Pan on 5 on score AK 740. Bomb. See here? I'm just shooting on the floor. Bomb. This is so funny. I always can do it, and you can see the time. Bomb. But yeah, that is my spin button. And if you go here, you see I'm still spin butting, but I can't see it. So, but when the other player is spectating you, they can see you spin butting. Because if they see on you, you're just doing this. So yeah. Bomb. Now I'll show you this. I'm shooting the floor. Bomb. That was 2. That was 4. I'll see the other with my wall hack. If he's here, it's there. You can just bomb, and he's down. Okay. I'll tell you what all this do. This will get your cheat active. This will get your cheat enabled. Auto fire will shoot for you. Friendly fire will shoot your teammates. Enable key. It's so you can like toggle your cheat. And so is this the key. Auto pistol is just taking a pistol if one is shooting at you. And hitbox, yeah, hitbox has speed and FOV and recoil, and this is all that crap. Then rage bot active, enable at fire. FOV is so like you can shoot in the ground and shoot them, and silent aim is the same thing. Like auto pistol is the same thing in the jetbot. Said before, enable key is the same thing in the jetbot. Press that down and you'll toggle. Hitbox and closest to crash air. It will shoot the enemy that is closest to the crash air. Multi-point will shoot other. Like, if you shoot one, it will shoot you. So yeah, no recoil. Like when you shoot, you have no recoil. Like, bomb. And at crouch, it will crouch for you automatic. At stop, when you can shoot a play, it will stop for you, and you can just shoot. At wall, like you will, your aim will follow the enemies behind the wall. I don't know what this 2 is, but I don't know what the result is. So yeah, but this is spin bot, like you're just spinning. Visuals active. Box, I don't know, just take some. Name, you can see the name of them. Health, you can see the health of them. Weapons, you can see the weapons through the walls. Change, I don't know, I just took normal. Skeleton, you can see the skeleton of them. Aim spot, you can see where they're shooting, where the spot is. DLL lights, I don't know. Glow, you can see them through walls. This is just like filters. You can pick what you want to see through the walls. FOV changer is this bomb. You can do this. If you can see on my gun here, you can see like this. Bomb. That's what you can do. No flash, you can't be flashed. And this is just your crusher, and this is your hand, so I have my hidden, so yeah. And spectator list, so you can see who is spectating you, like admin or something. You can see it. Miscs config. You can, if you take legit, this will work best on legit bot. Circle strafe, I can show you here. Seconds. That wanna work, seconds about. Now I'm behaving in circles. Okay, it works best in the server, like that. Yeah, that isn't that good, but yeah. As add strafe, I don't know. There's chat spam. You can regular spam like this. HookTronic, getting asked since Cisco. I'm still not using HookTronic the top and all that. Or you report text. 11 reports to the spots and the ID. And a clan tag, you can do this. Yeah, name spam. The chat here. And fake lag. The players will see you like have 1 FPS or something. as that you'll be in the air, and skin change, you just change your skins to whatever skin you want. But yeah, this is funny. I'll see, this is a great cheat. So yeah. See you guys. See you in my next video.